Hey there, my keto-curious comrades. So, you're thinking about diving headfirst into the world of keto, huh? Maybe you've heard whispers of miraculous weight loss or seen your favorite Instagram influencer rocking that keto glow. Well, hold your horses, or should I say, hold your avocados, for a hot second. Before you go stocking up on butter like it's going out of style, let's talk about what keto really means. We're gonna break down the basics, separate the facts from the fiction, and oh yeah, I've got a stack of ketogenic diet books we're gonna dig into. Get ready to have your mind blown, and maybe your taste buds tempted too. First up, The Case for Keto by Gary Taubes. This guy doesn't mess around. He's like the Sherlock Holmes of fad diets. Taubes argues that crash diets just don't cut it. The eat less, move more mantra isn't the magic bullet. He digs into the science behind weight loss. A thought-provoking read that challenges conventional wisdom. Remember the South Beach diet? Yeah, that blast from the past. Well, it's back, baby, and it's got a keto twist. The new keto-friendly South Beach diet is all about finding that sweet spot between good fats, healthy carbs, and quality protein. It's like the original South Beach diet got a major upgrade, ditching the restrictive phases and embracing the power of keto. What's great about this approach is that it aims to be more sustainable than traditional keto, which can feel pretty intense for some people. So, if you're looking for a more balanced approach to keto, this book might just be your new best friend. Let's be real. One of the best things about any diet is the food, right? And with the anti-inflammatory keto cookbook, you're not just eating delicious, you're eating for your health. This cookbook is a game changer for anyone looking to fight inflammation with the power of food. We're talking over 100 recipes that are both anti-inflammatory and keto-friendly, like seriously drool-worthy stuff. Think seared citrus scallops, southwestern stuffed peppers, and decadent desserts that won't kick you out of ketosis. It's proof that you can eat to reduce inflammation and satisfy your taste buds at the same time. Chapter 4. Keto Diet Hacks. Keto can sometimes feel like a different language, right? What do you mean I can't have a bagel? Fear not. Keto Diet Hacks by Lindsay Boyers makes it easier. Craving a burger? Ditch the bun and you're good. Need your coffee fix? Add butter or MCT oil. Full of tips to navigate keto without feeling deprived. Chapter 5. Southern Keto. Beyond the Basics. Hold on to your hats, y'all, because Southern Keto, Beyond the Basics, is about to rock your world. Natasha Newton, the queen of Southern cooking, is back with a keto-friendly cookbook that'll make you want to slap your mama, in a good way, of course. This ain't your grandma's keto cookbook, honey. We're talking indulgent, flavorful dishes inspired by the South and beyond. Think crispy fried chicken, cheesy grits, and decadent desserts, all made keto-friendly. Natasha's passion for Southern cuisine shines through in every recipe, proving that you can stick to your keto goals without sacrificing flavor or tradition. Chapter 6. Squeaky Clean Keto. All right, for all you purists out there, Squeaky Clean Keto is about to become your new Bible. This book is for the keto enthusiasts who want to keep it super strict, avoiding grains, dairy, alcohol, sweeteners, and even nuts. Yeah, you heard that right. No cheat days allowed. But hey, if you're committed to living that squeaky clean keto life, this book has got your back and your stomach. With over 160 recipes that are free of common allergens and inflammatory ingredients, you can fuel your body with the cleanest, most nourishing keto-friendly foods around. It's like a detox and a diet, all rolled into one. Chapter 7. The Dirty, Lazy Keto. No Time to Cook Cookbook. Sometimes life gets in the way of even the best-laid keto plans, am I right? You're busy, you're tired, and the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. This book is a godsend for those nights when you're short on time. 100 recipes in 30 minutes or less, using simple ingredients. Chapter 8. Unlocking the Keto Code. Now, get ready for a different perspective on keto with Unlocking the Keto Code by Dr. Stephen Gundry. This book dives deep into the science behind the ketogenic diet, but with a focus on the gut microbiome. Dr. Gundry believes that a healthy gut is key to unlocking the full potential of keto, and he's got the research to back it up. He encourages readers to focus on plant-based foods that nourish the gut and promote a diverse microbiome. It's a fascinating approach that goes beyond just weight loss and emphasizes overall health and well-being. Chapter 9. Keto Kitchen. Get ready for a culinary adventure with Keto Kitchen by Manya Palmer. This cookbook is a celebration of flavor, proving that keto can be just as exciting and delicious as any other way of eating. From slow-cooked lamb shoulder with roast cherry tomatoes to salmon eggs. Benedict, Manya's recipes are both creative and approachable. And don't even get me started on the desserts. Dark chocolate and raspberry tart, anyone? Keto Kitchen is a testament to the fact that you don't have to sacrifice flavor or creativity when you're eating keto. Chapter 10. The Easy 5-Ingredient Ketogenic Diet Cookbook. Let's face it, sometimes the thought of digging through a recipe with a million ingredients is enough to make you reach for the takeout menu. But fear not, my friends, because the Easy 5-Ingredient Ketogenic Diet Cookbook by Jen Fish is here to save the day. This cookbook is a lifesaver for those nights when you just want a quick, easy, and delicious keto meal without the fuss. Each recipe uses just a handful of ingredients, and many can be made in just one pot or pan. Talk about a weeknight dinner win! Chapter 11. The Complete Ketogenic Diet for Beginners. Starting a new diet can feel overwhelming, especially one as specific as keto. But don't worry, The Complete Ketogenic Diet for Beginners by Amy Ramos is here to hold your hand every step of the way. This book is like the ultimate keto starter kit, breaking down the basics in a clear, concise, and easy-to-understand way. Amy covers everything from the science behind keto to meal planning, grocery shopping, and of course, delicious recipes. Whether you're brand new to keto or just need a little refresher, this book is an invaluable resource. Chapter 12. East Coast Keto 2. Get ready for a taste of Canada with East Coast Keto 2. This cookbook is packed with over 100 new keto recipes inspired by the flavors of Newfoundland. Think hearty stews, fresh seafood, and comforting desserts, all made keto-friendly. What's great about this cookbook is that it showcases the diversity of keto cuisine, proving that you can enjoy delicious, satisfying meals from all over the world while sticking to your goals. So, if you're looking for some culinary inspiration beyond the usual keto fare, East Coast Keto 2 is definitely worth checking out. Outro. So, there you have it, folks. 12 keto diet books that'll inspire you and maybe even make you drool. Remember, listen to your body and talk to your doctor before making major dietary changes. Keto isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Use these books to experiment and find what works best for you.